Hello everyone, welcome to Phil's Woodworking. This video is my 100 sub giveaway. I understand that 100 subs isn't a lot sometimes, but for me personally it's a landmark, and to celebrate that landmark I'm doing a giveaway. And this is the prize. This is a stem vase which has got epoxy resin in there so you can put water in it for one stem, and my wife has kindly pyrographied the outside with some lilies. So that's it, that's the prize. And how you can win this prize, these are the rules. The rules are, you need to like this video. In the description below you need to, or sorry, not in the description, in the comments below you need to write I'm in and the country you reside in. So this will be going abroad if anyone wins it abroad. As well as that, the other thing you need to do is choose one of my videos that you really like and share it. That's it, that's all you got to do just to win this little vase. All I'd like to say is thank you very much to all the subscribers that have subscribed to me. It has really amazed me that I've got 100 subscribers, and I know that's not much for quite a lot of you. A lot of you have got thousands. I never set off to do this to gain any subscriptions, to be honest. It was just someone that asked me to show them how I made certain things, and that's how it's carried on. So I'm really pleased, and in a way I am looking forward to having a few more subscribers subscribe to me in the future if they really want to, and showing you how I make things. So this will end at 12 o'clock on Saturday the hold on a minute, I've got to think about it, 23rd. It's the 18th of February 2018 now. Sorry, 24th. So yes, so the competition will end at 12 o'clock on Saturday the 24th of February, which is basically a week from today, and on Sunday the 25th of February is when I will do the draw, and that will be done with a random name checker on iBuddy or YouTube Buddy, something like that, whatever it is. I'll be downloading that and doing the random name on that. So that's the rules, the competition, and then you could be the proud owner of this little vase. So please leave all your comments and we'll sort it out then. Thanks for subscribing to all my subscribers, and any new subscribers, thank you for subscribing again. Bye.